Hey guys, this is Code with Shark. Today we're going to be learning how to make a platformer game. First, we need to create a new project. Next, we need to do a one green flag is click. We need a forever loop. And then we're going to make a new function. It's in the My Block section. If you press make a block, and then I'm going to name mine run game. We want to run without screen refresh. First, when we start coding it, we want our dude to be pointing in point direction 90, and then we need to make some new variables. We need to make speed x and speed y. First, we want to change speed y by -1. If we need an OR statement, key D or right arrow press. We want to point in direction 90, and then we want to change x by 3. Speed x by 3. Oopsies, not E3. We can just duplicate this, change the D to an A, right arrow to left arrow, point in direction -90, and then change speed x to -3. Then we want to add some friction. So we want to set speed x to times speed x times 0.7. Next, we want to change x by speed x. Oh yeah, also in a green flag is click forever, I'm going to do run game. If we try it now, we can go back and forth. And also forgot in our direction, we want to change the rotation all around to left right. So it'll be like this. Also I forgot we actually don't need this. We want to also next this we want to do if touching level. Now we need to paint the ground. I'm just gonna make the ground like this. Oops. By the way, our ground can't be touching our cat. And then we want to do if touching level, or it can be sprite 2. You want to change y by 1. So we're going to go up by 1. That means because if it's touching it, it might be inside the level. And that would be weird if our player would be walking inside the level. And then we can do it again, but instead put it inside of there. You do it again. We're going to do that again. And we're going to do it one more time and put it right inside there. Next, we're going to add the gravitational force. We want to do an if touching sprite 2. Then we want to change y by -8. And then we want to do repeat until not touching level. Or sprite 2. I'm just going to rename sprite 2 level. Okay, now we want to do change x by we want to multiply. We want to change this to -1 speed x. And then we want to do if we want or an up or W. Up arrow or W pressed. Then we want to set speed Y to 10. We will need an if else. We want to check if speed x is less than 50. And then if it is, then we want to set it speed x to 16 and then duplicate it, change it to -16. I almost forgot. This here is supposed to be an if else. And we want to set speed x to 0. And then next, finally, we want to change y by speed y. Oopsie, it's supposed to be back here. And then next, if touching a level, then we want to repeat until, wait, whoopsies. Wait, no, I messed up a little. We need an if we need an and. We want to do touching level. We need to put or right here. And then key W. Whoopsies, I keep messing this up. Key W or up arrow. And we're touching the level. Then we want to set speed y to 14 and then change y by 1. Whoops. At the beginning we need to place our cat first. 0, 0. Seems like there's something wrong. Our cat is just stuck in. Seems like our cat is stuck at the level. Let's see what is wrong. Yeah, okay, let's see. Yeah, this is all correct. And then next one, it's if touching level, then change y by -8. Repeat until not touching level. Change x by speed x minus -1. If PW speed x to 10, speed y. Oh, wait. Oh, I forgot something. My bad. Right after. We need a if touching level. Then we need to repeat until not touching level. And then we want to change y by, we need it times -1, speed y times -1. Right before that, and we want to do change y by -1. Oopsies, our gravitational forces seems like it's going. Our gravity is not working now. Let's see. Words. We want to -0, -20. Oops. Gravitational forces pushing us up. Oh, I forgot this one. There's something wrong. But check one more time. Let's see. Speed. Change. Oopsies. Touching level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think. Oopsies. Okay, let's keep on going down. They're touching level, change y by -8. If not touch, repeat it till not change x by. If w, let's see, up here, set speed y to 10. Repeat until not touch speed. Oh, this was a big problem. That's why it's funny. And now, as you see, we have smooth. And then one last thing, you can also do wall jumping. So if you ram into a wall and then you press up, you can jump up the wall. And usually when I make my platformer games, I like to make them squares. And now the squares of the graphics make it smoother. in my opinion, squares make it look way smoother. And it sometimes gets less glitchy. And that is the end of how to make my platformer.